In this video, we will learn how to play this simple 16th note beat in the drums. So as you all know, 16th note, there is going to be 4 beats per count. So each count has 4 beats in it. Suppose if we say count 1, we are going to play 4 beats inside. That is 1, then for 2, again there's going to be same 4 beats, 2, then 3, 4. So these are 16th notes. If you put them together, it starts to sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. So each count that you say, you're going to play equally spaced notes on the hi-hat. Let's try this slowly once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are done with the hi-hat. We're just going to add the bass drum and the snare drum. Now we're going to add the bass drum on every first count. That is, whenever we say count 1, we're going to play the bass drum, as well as on count 3, we're going to play the bass drum. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are done with the bass and the hi-hat. It's just time to add the snare drum. So we're going to put the snare on counts 2 and count 4. So let's try it slowly. First we'll do without including the bass. We're going to just do only the hi-hat and the snare. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's start to put them together, the bass, hi-hat as well as the snare drum, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try without saying the counts. We'll start at a slow tempo, then gradually we'll increase the tempo. I hope you understood this beat now. Don't worry about the speed, just start at a slow tempo, then gradually increase the speed. Now let's try to play this, what we learned now, with some music. I hope this video was useful to you. This is a very simple beat. As I told you, just start slowly, then increase the tempo. Definitely you'll be able to play this. If you have any suggestions about these videos, please do post them in the comments below. I'll be looking forward to meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.